Kain is life. Pagkatapos kumain, swimming. Ha? Swimming. Dito. Diyan. Sige. Yan, swimming. Sarap. Pangalawang ligo mo na yan. Sige. Dahil sobrang init, Swimming is life. Naligo ka na kaninang umaga. Kain uli. Ay. Swimming uli. Dali na. Diba? Sobrang init. Ay. Oh, sus. Sarap.